Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the 3D assembly of knuckle joint and including exploded view. Create the first part is fork end road. Start 2D sketch. Select plane. Select circle create. Two circles diameter 30 and 60. Select rectangle. Give the dimension. Height is 28 millimeters. Rectangle is on center of the circle, so this dimensions is 14. Length from the center point is 98 millimeters. Select trim. Trim the unwanted lines. Again, select line. Draw a half rectangle. Size is 45 by 15. Dimension from here to here, 44.5 millimeters. Select line. Draw a center line. Select these three lines. Mirror command. Mirror about center. Line select trim command. Trim the unwanted lines. So give the dimension again 30 millimeter radius. Delete center line. Here, so that's it. Finish. Finish sketch. Extrude command, select midplane. Extrude both side, 28 millimeters. Next, select this surface sketch. Click on New Sketch. Rotate it. Left-click and select Slice Graphics. Select Circle. Circle on midpoint. Diameter is 52. Finish sketch. Extrude. 18 millimeters. Select the same surface. New sketch. Create one more circle diameter 25. Finish sketch. Select Extrude. Extrude cut through. Okay, next select these two extrusions. Select Mirror. Select Mirror Plane. Okay. Next, select this surface. New sketch. Draw a circle of 25 diameter. Finish sketch. Extrude should up to 40 millimeters. Next, select this surface again. New sketch. Select polygon. 8 sides. Create one polygon here. Next, select vertical constraint. Select this line and this line. Project geometric. Select polygon. Finish sketch. Select extrude. Cut through want reverse the direction. Give 45 mm depth. Now add fillet. Here, 5 mm. Add chamfer of 2 mm. Save the part. Name fork end. Ctrl+N. Standard IPT. Start 2D sketch. Select XY plane. Draw a circle of 52 mm and 25 mm. Draw a rectangle. Add dimension. Height 28 mm. Center line. Constraint it. Length from center of the circle is 105 mm. Trim the unwanted lines. Finish sketch. Extrude up to 25 mm. New sketch. Draw a 52 mm diameter circle. Project geometry on inner circle. Extrude up to 1 mm. Offset plane. -14 mm. Now mirror it. New sketch on this plane. 25 mm. Extrude up to 40 mm. Select this plane and new sketch. Polygon with 8 sides constrained. Project geometry.
Extrude. Select these for faces. and cut throughout on 40 millimeters. Now add fillet, 5 millimeters. Here 25 millimeters fillet. Here 1 millimeter. Chamfer of 2 millimeters. And save the part. IN select material. Control N, new standard IPT. Start to desketch and select XY plane. Draw a line of 15 millimeters. Now to draw as free sketch. Add dimensions here to here 12, 5 millimeters. Length is 96 millimeters. Here to here 12 millimeters. Now revolve it. Select this reference axis. Start to desketch in XY plane. Slice geometry. Draw a circle of 6 millimeters. Distance from end is 12 millimeters. Extrude both side and cut throughout. Save part as knuckle pin. Control plus N. Start to desketch. Select XY plane. Draw circle of 38 millimeters and 25 millimeters diameter. Extrude up to 12 millimeters. Start to desketch and select XY plane. Slice geometry. Draw circle of 5 millimeters. Extrude both side and cut. Save, color. New. XY plane. Draw a circle of 6 millimeters. Extrude 40 millimeters. Tepper 1. Save. Knuckle pin. Now we created assembly, Control plus, and assembly standard it. First select fork end. Right click and continue. At end. Constraints. Select first, and create like shown in video. Do for all parts. Complete knuckle joint. Now create exploded view. Create like shown in video. Thanks for watching.